Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to smoothen a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture and after that press on smooth down below. And you can just smoothen it by um, swiping to the right side or to the left side, and you can basically manage the brush like that. And you can just simply draw basically in the screen where to smooth it. You can also have the opacity option here, and you can once again manage it, and finally the feather option, and same thing once again. And you can delete everything, of course, with the eraser. You can manage the size of the eraser, and you can delete anything that you have painted here. So that's pretty much it really. After that you can just simply save it if you want to. In my case I'm not gonna save it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.